Welcome back again to Playdays Collectibles channel from Whittier, California. Today, of course, is wow! It's a beautiful night inside the store, Playdays Collectibles, guys. This just came in, and it's a lot of wow. What can I say? Awesome stuff. We have supers. Look at this Porsche 356 Outlaw, guys, brand new, crispy, out of the box. And we got some awesome Hot Wheels right here, some gassers. Look at that, beautiful colors. And what else? Oh, look at this right here. They have some white wheels right here, the tail dragger, the T-Bird, 58 T-Bird, 55 Chevy, and Disney Steamboat. See you there, buddy. Okay, oh, this is what everybody wants. 55 Chevy Ballard gasser. Okay, that's cool. And what else? Ooh, look at that, more tail draggers, custom 53 Chevy, and some unusual die casting here. Look at that, like Leslie. That's pretty cool. Sizzlers in here. Look at that, that's old. And more treasure house in here. Oh my god, supers, guys. Look at this. Nissan 300ZX Twin Turbo, Nova Wagon. I'm just showing you this briefly, guys, because I don't think I'm gonna do a show on time. This is too much stuff. It's gonna take me at least 3 hours, maybe. Custom 77 Dodge van, 2018 Honda Civic Type R, 69 Chevy pickup. Oh my god, more treasure house here. Look at this. C8 Corvette, Mazda RX-3. Yeah, it's a super. That's nice 55 Chevy with the white walls. Beautiful colors, guys. These are all supers, keep in mind. Except for these are not supers, guys. But, oh, look at this Road Rider Bronco. Oh my god, look at this. That's cool. That's awesome, guys. Another scissor right here, look at that. I think that might be old or new, maybe. The reproduction one. Oh, look at this, the Poison Pinto. Matchbox, a Medbox. Oh, look at this. Leslie. That looks like original. Wow, look at that. That's pretty cool. Well, I don't even know if it's Leslie. It's an old truck, that's all I have to say. This is a red line right here, look at that. It's missing the hub in the back. Still a red line. Ooh, US mail. And what else? Ooh, scissor right here, look at this. That's old. Ooh, let me clean my hands. And ooh, ID right here, look at this. GTR, NSX, Chevy C10, more C10s right here, look at that. More C10s, more C10s, C10, yep. C10, C10. And what else? More stuff in here. Let's see, what's in here? Look at the sealed box, guys. Let me see. Let's see. Brand new, so maybe it's the guy's Ferrari keys or something. The keys to his kingdom. This actually stopped collecting because he had no more room, so his wife got mad at him. Get rid of his stuff. Oh, it's brand new unboxing right here. Ooh, yeah, little mini unboxing, guys. Let's see. See what we have in here. There it is, guys. It's open. It's open. What could it be? Brand new. What's the gasser from the Legends? Look at that. Gold. That's pretty awesome. Remember these? That's pretty cool. Brand new. Out of the box. I guess that's what they came in. Maybe there's more in there. Oh wow, there's a hat or a shirt or something. Let me see. You don't have the receipt. What the bag? Look at that, it's a bag. To go shopping. Yeehaw. That's pretty cool. There's nothing else in here. Let's see. Keychain. Look at that. That's pretty cool. A patch. Oh, I love patches. That's pretty cool. Look at that. It's a bag to go shopping. Hot Wheels Legends. Well, oh, look at this cool Civic right here. Just noticed this is a cool Civic right here. Look at that. Yeehaw. Civic Type R. Oh, yeah. And what else can I see? Some goodies right there. All right, what else is in here? Oh, yeah. Look at this. Oh, my God. Is this the original Fast and Furious set? Yes, it is. Look at that. Whoa. Keeping this baby right here. Look at that. Yeah. Oh, I see everybody. Ice cream truck. Oh my God. Scooby-Doo. And I just remember that I put some stuff here earlier when I was unloading the truck. Look at that. Honda Civic EG. Hello Kitty. I see everybody. Yeah, you know, these are hard to find, guys. So don't ask what's the lowest. I will not sell it. Oh, look at that. Volkswagen's in here. A mini truck. These are hard to get to. Look at that. Wow. Wow. Custom 93 Nissan Hardbody. Cool one, too. So there's crazy stuff in here, guys. Let's see what else in here. Any supers in here? Oh my God, more Civics. Wow, look at this. So that's like number 4. And Toyota trucks, look at that. Oh my God, Toy Story. And what else? Boulevards or Subaru, Bug Eye Subaru. There's a lot of stuff in here, guys. All I have to say is, wow. And it's what's in here. Camaro, okay, well, nobody likes that Camaro. More stuff in here. So what's in here? Oh, it's Matchbox. Ooh, yeah, I like that Porsche. And what else in here? Ooh, yeah. Ooh, look at that Gia. Oh, that's cool. And some more stuff in here, guys. These are cards. Look at that. I'm gonna decorate my wall with those cards. Keychain. What else? Let's check this out. Oh my God, it's this cool Civic. It has nice gold rims. Oh, the truck. Look at that. Christmas. Hey, let's hang this on my tree. Oh, I already have one hanging on my tree. All right, here we are. Just in case you guys want to come to my shop, we have a lot of nice lowriders. Look at that. And a large selection of trucks. Check it out. And homies. Hey homies, what's up? These are my buddies here. They keep me company when I'm alone. Right? Right. Oh, look at this. 32 Ford Coupe, guys. That's very nice. And this is awesome here too. Look at that. This is Happy Holidays. O'Reilly. Look at this C10. Pretty cool. And look at this. La Troca. And a bag from the convention. And Matchbox Chevy Silverado. What's a 65, I think. Let me see. Oh, 64 Chevy C10 pickup with the extended cab. Okay, guys, see what else. Oh, a Chase Civic. Yeehaw! Another GTR. Our trucks in here, guys. Look at this. Nice. What else? What else? What else? Volkswagen. Impala. Science Fire Department. What is this? Honda Element. Oh, that one's hard to get. Oh, Honda Civic. More Honda Civics. A Chase. Oh, yeah. Oh, wow. This is a nice box in here. What else in here? A Schwinn? Oh. Some bicycle. Okay, guys, let's see. Put that in here. I don't want to make a mess. Oh, look at that Merc. Nice right there. Oh, look at that. Oh, yeah. Silverados, guys. Silverados. Look at this Merc. And this is awesome right here. And look at this Merc. Nice. What's up? What's up? What else in here? Let me see. Camaro. Oh, it's ugly. Well, it's not ugly. It's just that I don't see it as a exotic car. But I would rather have the real Camaro. All right, what else in here? Oh yeah, look at this GMC square body. Wow. Let's see. Oh, look at that. The American flag on it, Silverado. Oh yeah, this is good. Let's see. Another one right here, Chase. It's a Chase Silverado, square body. Number 23, I don't know what that means. Let me see, what does the 23 mean? Let's see. Look at that. That's pretty cool. Cool Paint Company. Okay, what else? Oh my god, this set. This is called the Ultimate Collection, guys. Right here, look at this. The Treasure Hunt set 2019. How do you open this stuff? Oh, there it is. It's like a muffler. I remember I had this before. Let me see. Oh wow, look at this. Nice collection. Wow. Nice. That's just cool, guys. Oh, the whole collection should be here. Alright, let me see. Alright, well, whoever wants the whole collection, let me know. Let me see if it has the names of the treasure hunts in the back. Nope, it doesn't, guys. So, what else? Oh, look at this. Wow, look at that, guys. Chevy Impala 64 Impala. That's the one that's pink. Alright, well, put it in here. C10. That's Chevy C10 in blue, I think. Chevy C10. That's probably the burgundy one. Oh, Lambo. Look at that. 82 Lambo Vintage LP 500S. And Pure Correct for the Gentleman Racer. Contest one vehicle, guys. Alright. 67. Oh, 64 Impala in blue. Alright, what else? Ooh, Pure Correct. The Gentleman's Racer. I don't know what kind of car it is, but I won't open that. I have no time right now. Chevy 64 Impala. Is that like 4 or 5 Impalas already? 64 Impala. What is this? Chevy C10. That's the red one. And world famous Nissan 4-pack from Walmart exclusive, guys, that everybody's after. Let's see what else. What else? Air freshener. Ooh, I want to put this in my car. Smells good. Yummy, that's mine. And RWB, look at this. RWB Porsche from Be Grief, I guess. This is nice right here. RWB Porsche from Redline Club. And a Magnus Walker, guys. Look at this. Magnus Walker. Porsche 964. And what else? Hopefully you guys liked the unboxing video from earlier. I had lots of fun. Look at this. Moon Eye set. Pretty cool. Let's see what else. What else? Flags. Civics right here, guys. Look at this. Civic. Nice truck. And another Redline Club C10. Okay, that's a lot of C10s right here. And some of this stuff right here. It's got some 64 Galaxy 500. And let's see what else is in here. Let's look inside. We only have enough time for 5 more minutes, I believe. Okay, let's see. Ooh, yeah. Nissan Skyline, 62 Chevy Treasure Hunt, 62. Whoa, look at that. 82 Silverado. Ooh, look at that. That's 2000 right here. Testarossa. Ooh, more goodies in here. Look at that. JDM, guys. JDM. What else? Let's see. yeah. Right here. Let's see what else. Oh, 510s from Kmart. Remember those? Alright. La Troca. Alright, well, this guy has some goodies, let's just say. My type of guy. Knows how to collect. Look at this. This is a crazy painter. 49 Mercury Custom. Cool paint job. Look at that. How old is this stuff? I don't remember this one. Oh, Kelly. Oh, it's not the guy that does pinstriping. Another one right here. Oh, one's a regular, one's a cheese, maybe. See how it looks different in the wheels?
Yeah.
See? Look at the wheels, guys. Look at the front grills. So one of these is a chase. Don't know which one, but it's gonna be one of them. That's pretty cool. Ooh. Mexican Riverside Show. Well, Mexican truck, I guess. Oh, look at that. 2 cart packs. Gassers. Oh my god, the gassers right here. Oh yeah. Well, guys, I'll try to do my best to do more show and tells, but look at this. Oh, let's do this one. Let's go this one. Alright guys, let me see. Right. This is way too much stuff, guys. Let's just say after this collection, I became broke. Trust me. I could have bought a nice used car with the money I spent on this. 67 Mustang. Ooh, Zamek Datsun 620. Ooh, Ford truck, Zamek. BMW Zamek. Ooh, Chevy Silverado. That's nice. Ooh, look at this. He has 70 Chevy Blazer. Skyline, the first one they ever made. Ooh, look at this. Los Angeles Hotwheels Convention. 41 Willys. Gasser. Ooh, look at this Redline Club Mustang. Candy Stripper, look at that. The Volkswagen Drag Bus. Ooh, look at this. Custom 69 Chevy pickup. Ooh, look at this nice one. Nissan Skyline GTR 34. This is hard to get, guys. What number is it? 8374 out of 12,500. What else? The chrome one. Oh, I see there, buddy. I know these are hard to get, guys, so if you have some money to cough up, let me know. Nissan Skyline GTR 34 in purple, no number, but it's from a Redline Club 2020. Okay. Oh, look at this one from the Legends. This guy was really into JDM. Look at this. 510 Datsun. Super Treasure Hunt Skyline R34. That's a super, guys. That's not the fake one. Look at that. The flames right on the bottom. Ooh, Datsun 510 from the Cool Classics. Datsun 510 from Kmart. Datsun 510 from Redline Club. Volkswagen Carmen Ghia. Ooh, look at this nice 1969 Dodge Charger RT. That's nice. Ooh, look at this Volkswagen T1 Rockster. That's cool. Ooh, Valentine's Day Chevy Silverado and Audi Supercharger 2018. I don't know what this is. El Camino. I don't know why he has it here. Maybe that was his favorite. Ooh, Japan Historics 1. The Skyline. Oh, look at this. Datsun Bluebird 510. Riders. Tail Dragger. Another Charger. Where else can I find some goodies, guys? Let me see. Maybe in here? Let's see what's in this box. You never know. Let's check it out. Let's see. Oh, it's a lot of 5-pack, guys. Oh, but it's a good one too, because that's a Celica. Yeah. So it's a 62 Chevy. Look at that. Okay, what else? That's how it looks, guys, when you go shopping. Total, you just put it in the bag. Oh, look at that. That's a good one right there. CRX. Nice truck right there. Ooh, cool combi. I see there, buddy. What else? More 5-packs in here. Look at that. Ooh, yeah, that's nice. Okay, let's see what else can I go through. More stuff in here. Okay, we went through that. Oh, yeah, this is good right here. Look at this. Wow, Japan Historics 2. Datsun 510 Bluebird. Like 8 of them, I think, in here. And then these right here. The Nissan Skyline GTR. HKS. A little expensive. You see there, buddy? What else? I don't know. That's already sealed. I saw this one. That's what's in here. Oh, a lot of green light cheese pieces in here. Yeah, like to hang this as my ornament. As my ornament in my Christmas tree. Wow. And wow. And wow. That's pretty cool. What else? What else? Let's see. I didn't get into this one here. Let's go to this one here. Let's see, guys. Alright, let's see. We'll do one more box and then we'll call it a day or a night. What's in here? There's a mosquito right here, guys. Oh, I thought I killed it. Okay. Some cases. And let's see what's in here. Alright. Oh, look at this. Super treasure hunt. Wow. A TT pickup. Ooh, a Skyline 2006 BMW M3. Ooh, a Super Porsche. Yay. Civic. It's a Super, okay? Just to let you guys know it's a Super. Look at that. 1, 2, 3. Oh my god. Ooh, this is hard to get. The Legends. Wow, that one's hard. Ooh, Mustang. Oh, it's a Skyline actually. Treasure Hunt R35. Ooh, Silverado. Yeah, that was expensive. Another 2. 62 Chevy. Oh, look at this hypo hauler. Look at this one's tiny. It says Stu's Super Customs Buried Treasure. Oh, look at this one. There's Nandi. Oh, look at this Super Porsche. Nice. Oh, look at this 55 Chevy Bel Air. Oh, look at this Skyline Super. Another Honda Super. That was like what, number 4 or 5? 62 Chevy. Ford Bronco. Another Honda Civic. That's probably number 5. Ooh, look at that, 32 Ford. Ooh, yeah, the Fleetliner 47. Oh, look at this, Ryu, Honda S2000. Ooh, look at this. This is from a Redline Club 2. This is part of the set of Datsun Bluebird 510. Ooh, nice CRX. Chevy Silverado. Ooh, Chase piece CRX. All right, guys, I'm done. We'll talk again soon. Have to clean up all this mess. And prayers for all of you guys. That's an awesome collection, guys. All I have to say is, I'm lucky to be alive. Adios.